How to redeem GameStop gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your GameStop gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To redeem your GameStop gift card, go to gamestop.com and add the products that you want to buy to your cart, and then just go to the checkout process by simply going to the checkout button that you can find here. Then once you go to the checkout process, all you have to do is simply select any of your payment details and your addresses over here, and once you've entered those addresses you can select that, tap on the save and continue option here in this case, and once you do that, now you'll be able to go ahead and then basically, so let me just go ahead and edit this one here. Then after that you can simply go ahead and then basically enter the details, and from there you'll be able to save and continue, and here you'll find the option to add a gift card or trade-in credit. Now in my case it is not being able to ship to this location, that's why it's showing this. Otherwise you'll find the option to add a gift card or trade-in credit, which you can use to enter your gift card number. This way you'll be able to redeem your GameStop gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.